Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a squishy scammer skit. So yeah, just wanted to remind you that it is a skit. You probably know already that it's a skit, because if it wasn't a skit, I probably wouldn't be videotaping it, and if I did send this out to YouTube, if it was real, then I would probably lose all my subscribers. So, it's skit. Anyways, I don't know why I said I am, but so, before we start the video, I want you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit that like button always. And I don't know why I keep moving my hands today, but let's just get right on with the video. Let's go to squishies. Yes! I need to get some squishies today. Pronto. These are nice squishies. I can afford them. They're like $10 and $20. It's perfect. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Ooh. Definitely this one. Perfect. So now I can tell the seller what I want. This is gonna take long. Sit up, the proper person. Try. Okay. And done. Got all my squishies ready. Ooh, I'm so excited for these. It's gonna be so awesome. So awesome. Can't wait to get these squishies. I think I've got somebody wants a package. Let's see. A lot of things. Gives me more money. Right, let's see the first thing on our list. Really? Fine. They want it. They asked for it. Right. Bag right here. What was the first thing that they wanted? A peanut bun. Really. I have a peanut bun right here. It's my only one, and it's so amazing. But I do have this panda. It's still a panda. Next, they wanted a licensed Yummy Bear. I do have this Yummy Bear, but it's not licensed. It's not the real version. Not the real one, it's the rip-off version. It's still a Yummy Bear. She didn't even ask what thing she wanted. Next, she wanted a iBloom peach. peach, but I really like it. It's not eye bloom though. I do have this other peach, which is like really rip off. So this one. Next, yes, for a steam bun, a jumbo licensed steam bun. I do have this little bun. It's not a steam bun, but it still looks like a steam bun, even though it isn't. And it's not licensed. And it's not jumbo. Doesn't matter. She paid $10 for that anyways. So cheap. Next on the list, I think she ordered the Hello Kitty donut. This is my only Hello Kitty donut, and I really like this one. I do have this cat donut. It's the same thing. It's just a cat with a donut hole that looks like a donut. Next, the last one, she wanted one more thing, and it was eye bloom strawberry, of course. Everyone wants eye bloom strawberries. I do have this strawberry. It's not eye bloom. It's not licensed at all. But still strawberry. Still squishes the same. Now I gotta find an extra. Ooh. This candy cane is perfect. Let's send her off. I'm so excited. Just got this in the mail. Right away. I don't look like anything that I got, but I think this is an extra because I didn't order this. Oh, I love strawberry, yes. Where's the licensing? Is this not even an eye bloom strawberry? I paid $20 for this. $25 actually. Let's see what's next. I actually think this is real eye bloom peach. Please be an eye bloom peach. Please be an eye bloom peach. Not even eye bloom peach. It's not even the exact colors of like an actual, like a peach that you would actually get from the store. This is this extra rip off. I paid like $30 for that. This is my yummy bear. Just knew it. It's scam. Not even the real one. Doesn't have any licensing. It's yellow. What kind of gummy bear is yellow? This must be an extra because I don't think I got this. I mean, I'm glad I got an actual extra squishy, but it's really cute though. I don't know. I don't know if this is another extra. I don't think. I don't know. I don't remember ordering anything like this. I don't remember this either. But these are just all extras. I'm missing 3 squishies. Wait a second. Are these the 3 squishies that I'm missing? How? This is the panda bun. Of course. This is the Hello Kitty donut. Of course. And this. It's my steam bun. I paid $10 for a little teeny tiny squishy. It was supposed to be jumbo licensed steam bun. It's not even a steam bun. Not even licensed, not even jumbo. The only thing that made me happy in this squishy package was this cake. Because I get to eat it. Candy canes are good. I'm so disappointed. I'm gonna have to contact her. I'm going to my phone. Right, got my phone. Now I can figure out her number. She didn't even pick up. I'm gonna call her again. She still didn't pick up. I'm gonna try calling her one more time. Hello? Hi, so I just ordered all these squishies and they're a bunch of rip-offs. So, that's not my problem anymore. They're your squishies now. What? You were the one who gave them to me. I want my money back. Well, you should have read the fine print. It said, no refunds. What? Are you serious? You're a big scammer. I'm going to tell all my friends that you are a big, fat... Can't talk to this girl anymore. Blocked. Can you hear me? I'm going to tell all my friends... She hung up on me. Let me try to call her again. And she blocked me? So that was it for the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you give a huge thumbs up, like I said in the beginning, and subscribe, like I said in the beginning too, and hit that notification bell, like I said in the beginning too. And you have to comment down below in the comments that you did all those things, and then you can be a part of the hashtag Squishy Squad. And also, comment down below what you want me to do next, because I really have no ideas left. So, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Bye! See you next time.